So today what I'm going to show you how to do is how to pick up stitches on top of your work. Normally when you pick up stitches, it's on the bottom here, and so you can work down and out. This way of picking up stitches, you can actually pick up stitches and work off of your work in different directions other than just down or across this way. So what you're going to do is you have your needle, and you are going to use a crochet hook, but you're not actually crocheting. You're just grabbing the string and putting it onto the needle basically. So let me grab my yarn here, and what you're going to do is you're going to make a slip knot like that, and you're going to take it and you're going to pull it through from the other side with, see, it's down here. You're going to take it and you're going to pull it through the other side like that, and you're going to actually place it onto your needle, and then you can pull it tight. And then basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be grabbing the working yarn from behind, from behind, and pulling it through to the front and putting it on top onto your needle. And you're going to try to do this evenly. So you're going to grab it, and that takes a little practice trying to grab it from behind. I think I grabbed the non-working part, huh? Ah, it slipped off. See, there are errors, but you can figure it out. So you put it in, here's my working yarn, and you pull it through, and then you're going to place it right on the needle like that. And you're going to do that all the way across whatever part of your work you'd like to knit off of. And see, now I have 3 stitches on there. I'm going to go all the way across here, and then I'm going to knit in my pattern. And like it happened here, what's going to happen is the new knitting is going to come off the work, just like that.